Peatsoil rice farming without irrigation. Water along with dissoluble minerals infiltrate easily in peat soil, leaving the top layer or root zone dry and nutrient deficient. The solution is to retain and frequently apply water in small, frequent doses to let the microbes convert minerals from a sustainable form to a plant-available, soluble form, as needed. Water is a nutrient carrier for plants, and they uptake maximum 10% more water than they transpire, regardless of the plant species. Nature designed the leaf size of each plant to meet its mineral uptake requirements for full potential. Rice plants have adapted to survive in inundated areas. However, this does not mean that they are water-demanding crops. In fact, research has shown that rice leaves are narrow and thin, which helps to reduce water loss through transpiration. Additionally, rice is typically grown during the time of year when humidity is highest, which further reduces the need for irrigation. Therefore, rice plants do not require a lot of water to grow. In fact, they can be successfully grown in peat soil without irrigation, provided that the soil is properly prepared and maintained. Instructions for growing rice in peat soil without irrigation. Make raised beds with furrows 152 centimeters apart, 40 centimeters wide at the top, and 20 centimeters high and wide at the bottom. Cover the beds with a 10 centimeters thick layer of rice straw mulch. Let the soil ecosystem develop by absorbing dew and humidity from the air. The microbes in the soil will develop to provide proportionally balanced amount of mineral as needed by the plants. Plant 2 soaked rice seeds in each hill with a dribbler, 5 rows on the beds 20 centimeters apart, and 20 centimeters between seeds. The plants will emerge through the mulch in about 8 to 10 days if the ambient and soil temperature is around 25 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is lower, it may take a few more days. Plant/S in each hill should have between 40 to 80 tillers. If tillering is less by the 40th day of emergence, take corrective action by pruning the plants, which improves tillering. Harvest the crop when ready. Do not disturb the soil or try to uproot the plants. The plants will regrow for a ratoon crop. Assumptions. The pH of the peat soil is between 3 and 5. There is no facility to irrigate the soil. The crop will rely entirely on rain, dew, and humidity. No fertilizer or pesticides will be applied. Additional tips. The mulch will help to retain moisture and suppress weeds. The first ratoon crop will typically be smaller than the main crop, but the yield will increase with each subsequent ratoon crop. By following these steps, it is possible to successfully grow rice in peat soil without irrigation. This can be a sustainable and profitable way to farm in areas with limited or no access to irrigation. Embrace PQNK, paving the path to sustainable natural farming.